Ah yeah, Birmingham New Street on a Saturday morning. Hang on, I've already seen you this month. Okay, so long story short, I was going to do the Snow Hill line, but yeah, basically everything's been cancelled due to Tysley being in meltdown, so let's try something different. Look how nice all that is. Okay then, let's get started here at Birmingham New Street and see what we can see this morning. So, we'll kick off with the 196. Seeing as my following 196 unit seems to be 101, I would guess that's what that is. Oh no, it's 196 112. So, we'll get kicked off at Birmingham New Street with 196 112. As it works, 1 Juliet 46 from Birmingham New Street to Shrewsbury. That's arriving in empty off of Tysley LMD. Okay, next we should see next up we should see the departure over the far side of 170 109 working 1 Lima 34 and the 0922 cross country service from Birmingham New Street to Stansted Airport. Should be the next thing. Next up we should see the arrival of 730 001 and 730 022. Oh, I've just missed them. Never mind. Yeah, I believe I just missed them. Yeah, I did. So we would have seen 730 022 and 730 001 working 2 Oscar 16 in the 0923 West Midlands Railway service from Lichfield, Trent Valley to Bromsgrove. However, we got bowled out by the turbo staff to stop us seeing them come in. So next up we should see the departure of 730 046 working 2 Indigo 10 and the 0924 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley, Trent Valley to Birmingham International. I've just realised he's not even got the signal. Actually, departing out first will be no, it won't. Arriving in next for West Midlands Railway is 196. Oh, there's 196 101. Also terminating in off of Tysley LMD empty. And arriving in next to it for London Northwestern Railway is 350. Where's my working gone? There it is. 350. No, that's not it. 352.46 on the front. So terminating in off of London Euston is 352 off Milton Keynes, 350 112 and 350 246 with 1 Yankee 13. Arriving in next for Transport for Wales, we will see 158833 and 158827. Arriving in with 1 Delta 12, 8 minutes late, and the now 0927 Transport for Wales service from Birmingham International through to Holyhead. And departing out alongside it, we should see no, it's not yet. Departing out next, departing out next 7 minutes late for Avanti West Coast will be 807007 working 1 Bravo 31, and what was meant to be the 0921 but it's now 0928 Avanti West Coast service from Birmingham New Street up to London Euston. Time for the first Ivero of the day. Well, New Street anyway, to depart. Okay, next up we should see the departure of 7:30:020 as it works 2 Alpha 11 and the 0930 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. Or it should be. No, it's not. Departing out down the far end is 1 Delta 12. Okay, next departing, 11 minutes late, will be 7:30:046 with 2 Indigo, 1 O, and what's meant to be the 0924 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley Trent Valley to Birmingham International. Next we should see I think even 7:30 going in further down the station, but I don't know if we've got them next. Oh yeah, there it is, I found it. Next stop is 7:30:027 and 7:30:040. The 2 Papa 17 and the 0936 West Midlands Railway service from Bromsgrove to Lichfield, Trent Valley. Arriving in on number 9. Departing out now is 2 Alpha 11, 10 minutes late to Walsall. Seven 7:30:020. And yeah, we'll finish with that. Departing out to finish us up, we'll see 7:30:027 and 040, working 2 Papa 17, departing on time at 09:36 to Lichfield, Trent Valley. As they head out, I'm going to call it a day. That is a good session at Birmingham New Street done.